I really appreciate when I see a complete section that's not generic, you know? Like I see a lot of generics and I see a lot of detailed drawings. So the detailed ones are explaining exactly how would the architect envision the connection between, because usually you don't involve like a manufacturer, like a supplier for canopies from the beginning, pretty much. You know, an architect is pretty much the first person that works on the project. So I like when I see an architect that puts proper ideas on the table on their drawings, and they show exactly what's their vision on connecting that canopy to the existing structure. This is the number one problem, by the way. That's the number one problem that I see on canopy failures. That's the number one problem that I deal with while designing a canopy. If it takes me 2 hours designing a canopy, an hour and a half will be about the building connection. You know, on the other side, I see some drawings with like hairlines, you know, like some a line, this is a canopy, figured it out. It needs to be analyzed first, and you got to do your assessment and understand how would you transfer these canopy loads along with the engineer that you work with from the beginning. How would you transfer these loads down to the soil? Um, these are loads are they're not going to just like be hanging there. They're going to be transferred somehow, right? They should be transferred from up there. We got to transfer everything from up there into the soil down, right?